Welcome back to Classy Bonsai. Today we're out here in the greenhouse. We're going to repot a Dawn redwood tree. It's been growing since it was a tiny little seedling, and I'll show it to you now. It's no longer a tiny little seedling. It's actually a pretty big tree. It's had a couple of trunk chops, as you can see, but you know, it's got some pretty good trunk size. But it's been in this pond basket for 2 years. This is actually not a pond basket, it's a dollar store basket. I'm lying. So, I'm going to get it out of this dollar store basket, put it into some better soil. You can see the giant rocks down here in the bottom. This was one of the very first trees I got that first year, getting trees in super early 2023. So, we're going to get it into something where it can grow a little better. It struggled a little bit last year. And I think that this is the reason I couldn't keep it wet enough. Let's get it out of there. Dig into this thing real quick. See if it'll just pull out. Which I think it will. Yep. Not a bad basket. Let's see what kind of roots we have. See these big rocks? Not advisable to do. Good roots down here though. Looks like it was pretty healthy. It's nice and wet right now. So many rocks in here. What a dummy. I guess I wanted a drainage layer. I'm gonna cut most of that out anyways. Look at all these big rocks. Bad soil, just peat moss and perlite. Not great. Oh, it's very dense in there with roots. I don't know how we're. So we got it put in this pot, wired it in. I didn't show it all to you. I mean, how many videos do you need to see somebody wiring a stinking tree into a pot? But I did have a good root flare. I should have showed you that. Got in there. I cut out this many roots, which was a lot. Took all this old dirty, you know, peat moss out of there. We'll clean that up, but I think, yeah, I'm gonna trim some of these off up here because it's just too tall. If you don't control the apex of a Dawn redwood, you're in trouble. That's a cool branch. And this is it's supposed to be the new apex, but it's below this other stuff and won't give much taper. I'm thinking about making one of these and getting rid of this. And I'm thinking about it like this. These will make cuttings. And then hopefully that'll give some vigor to these buds down here. And hopefully these buds do good because we got a branch here. We could use those. And then this will be the new apex. Get rid of that. Clean this up. Don't need that. Little bud there. We'll see how well this heals. I probably shouldn't have done so much cutting on it, but I'll put some cut paste on it. And with this here and that there, I think this should callus pretty well. There's so many buds everywhere that we don't need. Hit that little stump. Alright, some cut paste on there. And that's that. I didn't show these, but these are a couple of pomegranates that I repotted. And here's the Dawn Redwood in its new pot, the new top. I think I'm going to take some of these and use this pot that's sitting here. I'll put some lava in the bottom of the drainage, and I'm going to stick some cuttings in it. I don't really care about all of this stuff in it. It doesn't bother me one bit. Because I have thousands of cuttings, I shouldn't even be taking these. Rooting hormone. It'll be interesting if that one grows. There's another repotting video. Hope you enjoyed it. It's a short one. These are getting a little stale to make. I'm sure they're getting stale to watch, so I'm not going to keep showing them all. But I'll show you like just clips of, hey, look at all this crap I repotted. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.